Hello friends. Today I will tell you about natural treatments and home remedies for Molluscum contagiosum. This is one of the most common infections of the skin which is caused by the Molluscum contagiosum virus. It produces benign and raised lesions or bumps on the upper layers of the skin. Usually, there are numerous bumps which are clustered together and they can vary in their sizes. Bumps have a small indentation or dot on the top is the one characteristic sign, and it can become irritated, red and inflamed. These bumps are usually painless but may be itchy. They are shiny in appearance and they can be either flesh colored or pink in tone. These bumps usually appear about 7 weeks after being exposed to the virus. Also, there are some cases when bumps do not appear for many months. These bumps can appear virtually on any area of the body, but they are most common in areas around the arms, armpits, neck, face and eyes. The infection can also happen on the inner upper thighs, lower abdomen and genitals. If the infection was sexually transmitted, every single person can get Molluscum contagiosum, but children who are ages between 1 and 10, people who have atopic dermatitis, people with weakened immune system and people who live in tropical climates are at higher risk. This is not life-threatening condition, but it can cause a lot of discomfort if you left it untreated. Also, there is a risk of spreading this infection to your family members, friends and other people with whom you come into close contact. You need to consult your doctor before you try some of the mentioned home remedies to find out which natural treatment will work effectively for you. It's also important to know what the Molluscum contagiosum stages are in order to treat each one accordingly. Here are some home remedies for Molluscum contagiosum. Number 1. Clove oil. This natural cure has strong antimicrobial properties which are making it very effective against Molluscum contagiosum. 2. Also, it can help to prevent the spread of infection. This is strong oil and it can sting quite a bit. This is a reason why you should dilute it before you apply it. You should mix 1 teaspoon of extra virgin coconut oil with 1 teaspoon of 100% pure clove oil. You should dip a Q-tip in this home remedy. Apply it directly on the raised bumps or papules. You should cover it with a cotton pad and medical tape. You should keep it on for 3 to 4 hours. Then, you should rinse it off using warm water and gently pat dry with tissues. You should use this home remedy 3 to 4 times per day and let it stay there throughout the night if it is possible. You should do this natural treatment for 1 week. You will notice that papules will begin to dry out and they eventually will disappear. Number 2. Australian lemon myrtle. This is also a very effective home remedy for Molluscum contagiosum. It has many antimicrobial nutrients which can help to eliminate the dead cells and it will improve the growth of new skin. There was one study in which was said that the applying of 10% solution of Australian lemon myrtle once per day has reduced the symptoms by 90% or more. Children suffering from this infection. 3. You should mix 9 parts olive oil with 1 part of lemon myrtle oil. You should apply this home remedy on the Molluscum contagiosum. You should apply this home remedy on the Molluscum bumps. You should do this natural treatment 3 or 4 times per day in a period of several weeks. Number 3. Hydrogen peroxide. This natural cure has strong antiseptic properties which are making it a very effective home remedy to control the spread of Molluscum contagiosum on the body. The topical application of hydrogen peroxide directly on the papules will draw out the pus and the infected center, which will cause bumps to pop and eventually to dry out. 4. You should dip a Q-tip in some hydrogen peroxide solution and you should dab it on the raised bumps or papules. You should use a bandage to cover them. You should let it stay there for 5 to 7 hours or overnight. You should rinse the affected areas with warm water and you should gently dry using soft towel. Repeat this natural treatment 2 times per day. You should do this natural treatment for at least 1 week because this can help to dry out the papules. Also, there was one study in which was found that the 1% hydrogen peroxide cream can be also used as natural treatment for Molluscum contagiosum in infants. Number 4. Grapefruit seed extract. This is a very effective home remedy for combating the Molluscum contagiosum. It has strong antimicrobial properties and it is believed that is effective against more than 800 bacterial and viral agents. 5. The direct application of grapefruit seed extract aids in clearing up the Molluscum contagiosum papules or bumps and it can help to control the infection to spread the disease to the surrounding areas. You should add 4 or 5 drops of grapefruit seed extract in 1 teaspoon of water in. You should dip a cotton swab in this home remedy and dab it on the affected skin. You should cover it with bandage and let it stay there for 5 to 7 hours. You should repeat this natural treatment 2 times per day. You should follow this home remedy for 1 week because it will help papules to dry up. Also, you can mix 10 drops of grapefruit seed extract in 5 ounces of water and you should consume it at least 3 times per day in a period of few weeks. The indigestion of grapefruit seed extract may take longer to show the visible results, but this will aid your body in the fight against this viral infection. Number 5. Tea tree oil. This is a natural antiviral and antiseptic agent. When this home remedy is applied topically, then it penetrates the skin and it can help to fight against Molluscum contagiosum virus. There was one study which was done in 2012 in which was said that the combination of organically bound iodine with tea tree oil offers a safe therapeutic alternative in the treatment of childhood Molluscum contagiosum. 6. You should dab a cotton ball in tea tree oil. You should apply it on the skin where the bumps appear. You should repeat it 3 or 4 times per day because this will give you quick results. Also, you can mix 4 or 5 drops of tea tree oil in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You should apply this mixture on the affected areas. You should let it stay there for a couple of hours before you rinse it off using warm water. You should repeat this natural treatment once or twice per day in a period of few weeks. You should not consume tea tree oil. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar. This is a very effective home remedy for Molluscum contagiosum. It is rich in antiviral properties and it can help to kill the virus which is responsible for the infection. It can penetrate into the skin quickly and it will eliminate the source of the infection. Also, it is rich in minerals and vitamins which will boost your immune system and this will help to speed up the recovery process. You should soak a cotton ball in raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar and you should apply it on the affected area. You should cover this area using a bandage and let it stay there throughout the night. When you wake up in the morning, then you should remove the bandage and wash the affected area using lukewarm water. You should repeat this natural treatment once per day in a period of few weeks. If you have noticed that the apple cider vinegar is irritating to your skin, then you should dilute it with an equal amount of water. Also, you can add 1 cup of raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar to a bathtub file with warm water. You should soak your body in this water for 20 minutes once per day. Also, you can mix 1 tablespoon of raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar to 1 glass of water and drink this home remedy 2 times per day because this will work against the virus from the inside out. Number 7. Oil of oregano. This is a very effective home remedy for Molluscum contagiosum. It has powerful antimicrobial properties which can help you to deal with the root cause of the skin infection. 7. This natural cure will boost the immune system and it can help you to fight off the infection quickly. You should mix 6 drops of oregano oil into 1 tablespoon of almond or olive oil. You should apply it on the affected area and let it stay there for a few hours. You should wash it off using lukewarm water and you should pat dry the area thoroughly. You should do this natural treatment 3 or 4 times per day. Also, you can use clove oil if you do not have oil of oregano at your home. Please note, these remedies may not be suitable for everyone, so you should select one that suits you, and if required, kindly consult your doctor. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.